We're cooking egg, guys. We're cooking egg. Ito mo.
Sino mo gagain?
We're cooking egg, guys. Ala, may nahulog na pusa!
Ganun na lang yan mo, dito. Mga ate mo. Ilang piraso yan mo.
Dalawa!
Dagdagan mo pa ng 4.
So, guys, we're gonna add it like 10 more.
Nasaan kaya yung clear book ni Mama?
Yeah, guys. We're cooking some egg, guys. Ilan na lang? Isa.
Enough na. Asin na lang.
Asin, kuha ka asin.
May asin naman yan.
Let's go. Unti lang. Ang dami na ito. Let's go, bro.
Lagyan mo ng magic sarap yan.
While playing some Souls RNG. Look. Kailan mo. Yan. Souls RNG, bro. Souls RNG. We have our ketchup here. Ketchup. Yeah. Ketchup.
Try mo idagdag yun.
Yan, 4. Some ketchup. Tamis anghang. This is the flavor of the ketchup. Tamis anghang.
Hindi naman pwede ilaga yun. Basag din.